1. What are the fundamental rights? A. Legal rights granted by the Parliament. B. Basic human rights enshrined in the Constitution. C. Rights available only to citizens of India. D. Rights only available against the actions of the state. Answer: B. Basic human rights enshrined in the Constitution. 2. How many fundamental rights were originally provided in the Constitution? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Answer: C. 7. 3. Which fundamental right was removed from the list of fundamental rights by the 44th Amendment Act, 1978? A. Right to equality. B. Right to freedom of religion. C. Cultural and educational rights. D. Right to property. Answer: D. Right to property. 4. What is the nature of fundamental rights? A. Absolute. B. Qualified. C. Only available to citizens. D. Negative in character. Answer: B. Qualified. 5. Who can the fundamental rights be enforced against? A. Only against actions of the state. B. Against actions of private individuals as well as the state. C. Against actions of private individuals only. D. Against actions of the judiciary only. Answer: B. Against actions of private individuals as well as the state. 6. Which authority defends and guarantees the fundamental rights? A. The Parliament. B. The Supreme Court. C. The President. D. The state government. Answer: B. The Supreme Court. 7. Can the Parliament curtail or repeal fundamental rights by an ordinary act? A. Yes. B. No. Answer: B. No. 8. Can fundamental rights be suspended during a national emergency? A. Yes. All fundamental rights can be suspended. B. No. None of the fundamental rights can be suspended. C. Only the rights guaranteed by Articles 20 and 21 cannot be suspended. D. Only the 6 rights guaranteed by Article 19 can be suspended. Answer: C. Only the rights guaranteed by Articles 20 and 21 cannot be suspended. 9. What limits the scope of operation of fundamental rights? A. Article 31A. B. Article 31B. C. Article 31C. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 10. Which article allows the Parliament to restrict the application of fundamental rights to certain groups? A. Article 32. B. Article 33. C. Article 34. D. Article 35. Answer B. Article 33. 11. Which of the following is not included in the definition of state under Article 12? A. Government and Parliament of India. B. Government and Legislature of States. C. All local authorities. D. Private individuals or entities. Answer D. Private individuals or entities. 12. Whose actions can be challenged in court for violating fundamental rights? A. Actions of private individuals only. B. Actions of the judiciary only. C. Actions of the state and its agencies. D. Actions of foreign entities. Answer C. Actions of the state and its agencies. 13. According to the Supreme Court, can private bodies or agencies working as instruments of the state be considered as state under Article 12? A. Yes. B. No. Answer A. Yes. 14. Which of the following is not a feature of fundamental rights? A. Absolute rights. B. Justiciable. C. Defended and guaranteed by the Supreme Court. D. Can be enforced against actions of private individuals. Answer A. Absolute rights. 15. What is the aim of fundamental rights? A. To establish an authoritarian rule in the country. B. To prevent the invasion of private liberties by the state. C. To uphold the equality of all individuals and protect their liberties and freedoms. D. To protect the interests of the state only. Answer C. To uphold the equality of all individuals and protect their liberties and freedoms. 16. Which of the following fundamental rights is not available against the action of private individuals? A. Right to equality. B. Right to freedom of religion. C. Right against exploitation. D. Right to constitutional remedies. Answer C. Right against exploitation. 17. What is the basis for the enforcement of fundamental rights? A. A Constitutional Amendment Act. B. A regular law passed by the Parliament. C. A constitutional law made by the state legislatures. D. They are self-executory or enforced by specific laws made by the Parliament. Answer D. They are self-executory or enforced by specific laws made by the Parliament. 18. Which article defines the term state for the purposes of Part 3? A. Article 12. B. Article 14. C. Article 16. D. Article 18. Answer A. Article 12. 19. What is the scope of operation of fundamental rights limited by? A. Article 31B. B. Article 33. C. Article 34. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. 20. What is martial law? A. The imposition of a national emergency in the country. B. Military rule imposed under abnormal circumstances to restore order. C. The suspension of fundamental rights during a natural disaster. D. A system of government where the military has full control. Answer B. Military rule imposed under abnormal circumstances to restore order. 21. Which fundamental right was derived from the Constitution of USA, i.e., Bill of Rights? A. Right to equality. B. Right to freedom. C. Right to freedom of religion. D. Right to constitutional remedies. Answer B. Right to freedom. 22. Which of the following is not a fundamental right with respect to religion? A. Freedom of conscience. B. Freedom to profess, practice, and propagate any religion. C. Freedom to manage religious affairs. D. Freedom to receive religious instruction. Answer D. Freedom to receive religious instruction. 23. Which fundamental right aims to prevent human trafficking and forced labor? A. Right to equality. B. Right against exploitation. C. Cultural and educational rights. D. Right to constitutional remedies. Answer B. Right against exploitation. 24. Which fundamental right allows educational institutions to establish and administer their own educational institutions? A. Right to equality. B. Right to freedom. C. Right against exploitation. D. Cultural and educational rights. Answer D. Cultural and educational rights. 25. Which fundamental right provides remedies against the violation of other fundamental rights? A. Right to constitutional remedies. B. Right to equality. C. Right to freedom. D. Right against exploitation. Answer A. Right to constitutional remedies.